everyone. Welcome to my Virtual Kids in the Kitchen program. I'm Miss Jenny from the West River Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make Halloween dirt cups. These are really quick and easy and actually very fun to make at home. So the ingredients that you will need are a package of instant chocolate pudding. You'll need Oreos. You'll need a thing of Cool Whip. You will need some cold milk. And then I'm using some Halloween candy to decorate the top of my dirt cups. I'm going to use gummy worms, and I'm using these mellow cream pumpkins that came in a bag that looks like this. You might also find them in your bags of candy corn, and you can use those as well. Or you can use whatever other toppings or decorations that seem fun to you, maybe some fall or Halloween sprinkles or something like that. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is make your chocolate pudding. So get yourself a nice big mixing bowl like this, and you're going to mix your chocolate pudding according to the directions on the back of the box. So I used the mix, and I used 3 cups of cold milk, and I whisked it together in my bowl. It looks like this. It does need to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to set up though. Okay, so you're going to want to do this first, and then next we will crush our Oreos. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is crush our Oreos. So we're going to get our package of Oreos out, I'm going to open it up, and we are going to start like this. Just break them apart, kind of scrape the cream out like this. You just want the cookie, and then we're going to put them in our Ziploc bag like this. So I'm going to do a couple of them so you can see what it looks like. It's really quick and easy. Get that cream out of there. Your Oreos in. Okay, I'm just doing a couple to show you what it looks like. You're going to want to close that bag up real tight. You can use a rolling pin if you have one, or I'm just using a can of soup, and we're going to crush and roll it just like this until we make a very nice bowl of Oreo crumbs, and it looks like dirt. So that's why we call these Halloween dirt cups. Okay, so now it's time to assemble our dirt cups. First, we're going to take our bowl of chocolate pudding that we've made, and I'm going to mix my package of Cool Whip into it so that we have a nice kind of fluffy chocolate mousse texture. So we're going to start with that. Just scoop that right into your mixing bowl. Kind of mix that up like this. Then we're going to add some of our Oreo cookie crumbs that we crushed to give this a nice texture. So just kind of mix that up, and you can see it looks like a nice chocolate mousse. So I have a half a cup of the Oreo cookie crumbs that I crushed. So I'm going to go ahead and mix those in there as well. So then it's just going to look like a nice, yummy chocolate dessert, just like this. Just mixes up really nice. And now we'll go ahead and we'll put our dirt cups together, and I'm going to use some clear plastic cups so that I can see the layers, okay? So I'm going to start with some of my chocolate pudding and put that right in there. It's kind of messy, but that's all right. Okay, get that right into your cup. Looks good. Then we will go ahead and scoop some more of our Oreo crumbs on top. So it's a nice layer of dirt right on the top of our pudding, and it looks kind of like that. And you can kind of see through the clear plastic cup that it's got a nice layer of dirt. So I'm going to make another one like this. So we'll have 2 ready to go. Scoop some dirt on top, just like this. You can see, looks pretty yummy. And then we'll go ahead and we'll decorate maybe with our pumpkins like this. So we look all fall and Halloween like that. And then maybe go ahead and put a gummy worm right in there. And there we go. Those are our Halloween themed dirt cups. Don't they look fun? And they look really yummy too. All right, everyone, thank you so much for joining me for my Virtual Kids in the Kitchen program. See you next time. Bye, everyone.